Welcome back. Currently, we are learning Python, and this is day 9 of the playlist Python Beginner Boost. And in this video, we will learn about set, data structure, and in the previous videos, we have looked on list, tuples, dictionaries, etc. So, what are sets? Sets are unordered collection of unique elements that provide efficient membership testing and operations such as intersection, union, difference, etc. So let's learn how to create a set. So there are two ways to create a set. You can use the set function or enclose the elements within curly brackets. Let's try to create set using the set function. So we will again use the same example fruits, and here we will use the function set, and then this is the function, that's why we will use parenthesis, and after that we will pass a list. And we already know we create list using square brackets, so this is list, and then we will pass the values which we want to store in this set. So again I will use apple, banana and cherry, and let's try to print this set which is named as fruits. And I will open the terminal from here, and I will decrease its size and will execute this using python 3 and the name of the python file and press enter. As you can see, cherry, apple and banana are printed. Let's do one thing. I will show you the difference between list and set using one example. So I will create one list here, fruits, fruits1 equals to, I will like copy this. So you already know that in set there can't be any repetitive element, but list can have repetitive elements. So if I add the elements again and again, then it will be added into the list. Let me do that. And if I do the same thing for set, it will add it here, but it will never show in the output. It will only store it for one time. So let me add apple and banana, and let me also print this. So on the line number 5, we have created a list named fruits1, and we have added 5 elements, and some of them are repeated like banana and apple. So let's print it on the line number 6. And on line number 7, we are using the set function, and we are passing a list, the same list we are passing here. But on line number 8, it will only print apple, banana and cherry. It will not print apple and banana twice as they are added here, but it will not be stored into the set. Let's execute the code. As you can see here, apple, banana, cherry, banana and apple, this is a list. As you can see, the brackets are square, and this is a set because the brackets are curly and it is not having any repeated values. And if we try to execute it again and again, then the order of the set will change again and again. Let me execute it once more, and I have removed the part of list. As you can see, cherry, banana and apple is printed. Let me execute it once more. Now banana, apple and cherry are printed. So this is an unordered collection, and we can create a set using curly brackets also. So this is the one way. Let me create the set using another way, which is fruits, and then we can use curly brackets, and we can pass all the values which we want to add into this set. So we can pass it here, and I will save it. And after that, let's execute the code, and you will see a set will be created, and apple, banana and cherry will be printed, and the values will not be repeated, and the order will be anything. Let's execute it. Banana, cherry and apple are printed, and as you can notice the curly brackets. Let me execute it once more, so you can see they are unordered collection, apple, banana and cherry. And in the last execution we are saying banana, cherry and apple. So that's how it is working. Now after doing this, let's check how to test for membership in sets. So for testing the membership, for checking if an element exists in the set or not, we can do it using the keyword in. So we will use if, and we will pass the value which we want to search for in the set. So we want to search for banana in the set name fruits. So if the value is present in the set, then we want to print something on the screen like banana is available, and if it is not available, then we will print something else. So I will go to the else part and I will print not available. Let's save it and execute it. As you can see, banana is available is printed because we have added this banana into the set. And if I remove this from the set, again the banana will be printed because banana is still in the set definition, so it will be printed banana is available. And now if I remove this also, then it will print not available. And let me change the spelling to the correct spelling, and let's print. So as you can see, not available is printed on screen. So this is how you check if a value exists in a set or not. We have done the same thing for checking if a key exists in a dictionary or not in the previous video. So now let's learn about the operations of set. As I said, so we can add element into the set using add function. So first of all, we have to use the name of the set. After that, we will use the add method or add function, and then we will pass the value which we want to store or add into this set. So suppose I want to add watermelon into this set, and I will print fruits. Let's save it and let's go to the code. So as you can see, let me just remove this part as it is adding some more debug statements, so I don't want them. Let's execute. So you can see apple, cherry and apple are assigned to this set. So apple is twice, but we are creating a set, so it will be only stored once. So on line number 8 we are printing cherry and apple. After that, we have added one element to the set using the method add and passing the value which we want to add to the set, which is watermelon. That's why on line number 13 it is printing watermelon, cherry and apple. Now let's learn how to remove an element from the set. So let's use the same thing. We will use the name of the set. After that, we will use the dot, and after that we will use the remove method for removing if a value exists in a set. So we will like try to remove apple from the set, and after that I will print the complete set again. Let's execute it. As you can see, apple is removed. So first of all, we try to add cherry and apple, so they are added and printed. After that, we added watermelon, so it is added and printed. After that, we removed apple, so it is removed. And on line number 16 we are printing cherry and watermelon. And also we can't access the element of set using indexing. So if you try to do this, print fruits, and you will pass the curly brackets and like try to access the element at index number 0, then it will give us error. Let's try to execute it. As you can see, type error, set object is not subscriptable, which means we will not be able to access the elements of set using indexing because it is an unordered collection of elements, and we can only do this using list. So let's remove this part also. Now let's learn about some more set operation like union, intersection and difference. So I will create two sets. Set 1, which is having some values 1, 2, 3, 4, and I hope you know about union, intersection and difference, and if you don't know, I will help you understand it now. So as you can see, we have created two sets, set 1 and set 2, and let's print the sets. Print set 1, and let's also print set 2. So we have created two sets as you can see on the screen, and if we try to print them, they will be printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's learn about union operation. So how to perform union of two sets. So I will create one more set called union, and I will store the union of set 1 and set 2 into this new set. So I want to union set 1, and I will use the method union, and I want to union it with set 2. So what does union means? It like it will keep all the values of set 1, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, and from set 2 it will only take the values which are not available into set 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3 and 4 are already available on the set 1, so it will not add it to the union because set only contains non-repetitive values. So 5 and 6 will be also added. So this union will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me print them on the screen. Let's save it. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are printed. So currently the set 1 is having 1, 2, 3, 4. Set 2 is having 3, 4, 5, 6. And the union operation take all the values of set 1 and then it add the values which are not present in the set 1 from the set 2. So 5 and 6 are not present in the set 1. So it will take 5 and 6 and it will like add them and create a new set which is stored into the union, and we are printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's learn about intersection. So I will create one more set which is called intersection, and we will use again the set 1 then intersection it with a set 2. So we want to like take the common values from both the sets and store it into a new set. We are doing what we are doing, we are taking the common values from both the set 1 and set 2, and we are trying to add store those common values into the new set which is named as intersection. So here the common values are 3, 4. As you can see, 3 and 4 is available in set 1 and 3 and 4 is also available in set 2. So this will be printed after this line. So let me execute this. As you can see, 3 and 4 are printed. So this is how intersection 1 works. Now let's try to find the difference between two sets. So we will create a variable called difference, and we will store the output of this operation into the variable called difference. So set 1. After that we will use the difference method and we will pass set 2. Let me show you the output and then I will explain you how it is working. And we don't want to print intersection, we want to print difference. Let's save it. And let's execute it. As you can see, 1 and 2 is printed. So how it is working, let me explain. So we are having two set 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 4, 5, 6. So whatever is the common part in the two set, it will be removed from the set 1. So 3 and 4 is the common part in the two sets, so it is removed and only 1 and 2 is printed. What if I do the opposite? I want to like set 2 here and set 1 here, then it will only print 5, 6. Let me show it to you. As you can see, 5, 6 is printed. So this is all about sets in Python. Let me explain everything once more to you. So we can create a set using two ways. First of all, we can use the set function and provide a list inside it. And set is an unordered collection of elements and there can't be repetitive elements. And we can also use curly brackets to create a set. Also, we can't use indexes to access the specific element of the set. We can add a new element using the add method. We can remove an element from the set using the remove method. And here after that we have learned about union, intersection and difference. So that's it in this video. We will learn about some new topics in the next video. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it with your friends, and use the hashtag Python Beginner Boost to share your updates on Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. so I can connect with you. Thank you very much.